May I now request Dr. K.K. Noria to update us on the recent activities of Kimpro Foundation.
Friend Suresh has already mentioned to you the various activities which foundation has. All I have to say is it was Suresh's vision that he created the Kimpro Foundation. Consulting was his business, but creating a foundation was a vision giving to the society and creating a platform where the quality becomes a norm in the life of Indians. So I would like to compliment Suresh for that thinking on behalf of the trustees of the Kimpro Foundation. The fact that we have completed 25 years, I think we have completed 25 years only because the Kimpro awardees gave us the honor of accepting the awards. If they did not accept our awards right from day one, we will not be here for 25 years. And I think good thing is that they accepted our awards, and every year we were able to find further better people to take the awards because they had already set certain benchmarks. So I would like to convey my compliments and gratitude to the past winners as well as the current winners for making Kimpro Awards a respected function as it is. When we look at the 25-year journey of Kimpro, I think in the initial years, Kimpro consultants basically supported the function out of their own resources. Subsequently, when the things became a little more expensive, they gave the manpower support at the back office and started looking to certain donors for holding these functions. But now that the activities are further expanding, I think one cannot afford to only look at one donor, so we have to approach multiple donors. And depending on the business conditions, sometimes it's easier to find donors and sometimes it's more difficult to find donors. And the trustees' main concern is that we must ensure perpetuity of these awards. And perpetuity can only be ensured if you do not depend, if I may use the word begging, every year. So therefore, for creating the perpetuity, we feel that it is necessary that Kimpro Foundation should have a reasonable corpus so that the interest of the corpus should be adequate to take these initiatives further. As you have seen that starting with business, which was okay, then we started in 2007, the awards for the education, and 2009, the awards for the medical. And when we started for the education, we started taking the initiative of creating essays for the students. Then we started creating a quality manual, a periodic quality manual for the teachers of the, and now we have started the Champion League. Similarly, in medical, with the help of Quality Council of India and Kimpro consultants, we tried to create certain case studies to show how the medical profession can gain, or medical hospitals can gain, by using quality as a tool. So the idea is that depending on the funds available, one would like to expand the activities of the foundation. And to create perpetuity, as Suresh said, we need the support of the people. So we hope that some of you will become the patrons and help us to create the corpus. So thank you very much for your support. We hope you'll continue to give us your love and effort. Thank you.
Thank you for the update, Dr. Noria.